Clapperboard introduction. Hook plus emotional connection. My dear friends, aging is a truth of life that no one can escape. Each year, our hair grows whiter, our steps get a little slower, and our body starts reminding us that time is moving forward. But here's a secret many people never realize. Getting older does not mean getting weaker. Yes, the number of candles on your birthday cake may increase, but your energy, your strength, and your happiness can still shine brightly if you know how to take care of your health. Today, with the help of doctors' advice and years of research, I will share powerful ways to stay fit, strong, and full of life no matter what age you are. This is not just about living longer, it's about living better. So, if you are ready, let's begin this journey together. 1. The foundation mindset toward aging. Doctors often say, your body follows where your mind goes. If you think aging means becoming weak, sick, and dependent, your body starts behaving that way. But those who believe, I can stay strong, I can stay active, I can live with energy, always surprise everyone around them. Backhand index pointing right tip. Start every morning by reminding yourself, I am alive, I am strong, and I will make today count. Aging is not the end of the road. It's the beginning of a wiser, more meaningful journey. 2. The power of movement exercise for every age. A well-known cardiologist once said, if exercise could be put into a pill, it would be the most prescribed medicine in the world. Doctors agree that even 20 to 30 minutes of daily movement can completely change your aging process. Man running, walking, the simplest and safest form of exercise. Just 30 minutes of brisk walking improves heart health, reduces stress, and keeps your joints flexible. Person in lotus position stretching and yoga keeps the body flexible, reduces stiffness, and strengthens muscles. Person lifting weights, strength training. Even after 60 or 70, light strength training with resistance bands or small weights keeps your bones strong and prevents falls. Woman dancing/fun activities. Age should not stop you from enjoying movement. Dance, garden, play with grandchildren. Every bit counts. Backhand index pointing right. Doctor's note. Never jump into heavy workouts suddenly. Start slow, listen to your body, and always consult your physician if you have health conditions. 3. Food is medicine. Eating right as we age. The biggest mistake people make after 50 is thinking, I can eat whatever I want. It doesn't matter anymore. But in reality, after 50, nutrition matters more than ever. Doctors recommend broccoli, more vegetables and fruits. They are packed with vitamins and antioxidants that slow aging and prevent diseases. Green salad, protein-rich foods. Eggs, fish, lentils, nuts. These protect your muscles from becoming weak. Droplet hydration. As we age, our sense of thirst reduces. Many older adults live dehydrated without realizing it. Make water your best friend. Prohibited limit sugar and processed foods. They don't just harm your waistline. They speed up aging from the inside. Green tea and herbal teas. Doctors say they help digestion, reduce inflammation, and boost immunity. Backhand index pointing right tip. Think of every meal as fuel for your future, not just a moment of taste. 4. The silent pillars, sleep and rest. One of the most underrated medicines is good sleep. Doctors explain that during sleep, your body repairs cells, heals tissues, and strengthens memory. Without proper rest, no diet or exercise can save you. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. Create a bedtime ritual, light reading, prayer, or calming music. Keep phones and screens away at least 1 hour before bed. Maintain a fixed sleeping and waking schedule. Backhand index pointing right. Remember, resting is not laziness. It is a scientific way to extend your life. 5. The doctor's checkup. Prevention is power. Most people wait until they feel sick to visit a doctor. But doctors say, the best treatment is early detection. Important annual checkups after 50. Blood pressure and cholesterol. Blood sugar. Bone density test. Heart checkups. ECG. Echocardiogram if needed. Cancer screenings. Colon, breast, prostate depending on age and gender. Backhand index pointing right prevention can save not just money, but your life. Don't ignore it. 6. Mental health, the hidden key. Doctors warn that loneliness, stress, and depression are silent killers in old age. To stay mentally fit, stay socially active, meet friends, talk to family, join community groups. Keep learning, read books, learn new skills, try puzzles. Practice gratitude every day. Write down 3 things you're thankful for. Backhand index pointing right, a happy mind creates a healthy body. 7. Common myths about aging, doctors' truths. Crossmark myth. After 60, exercise is dangerous. White heavy checkmark truth. With proper guidance, it is more important than ever. Crossmark myth. Weak memory is unavoidable. White heavy checkmark truth. Brain exercises, good nutrition, and proper sleep protect memory. Crossmark myth. It's too late to change habits. White heavy checkmark truth. Doctors confirm. Healthy changes bring results at any age. Clapperboard closing message. Motivational ending. My dear friends, aging is not about counting the years you have lived. It is about making the years you live count. Doctors can guide us, but the real decision lies in our hands. Every step you take today, whether it's drinking water, going for a walk, sleeping early, or choosing a healthy meal, adds up to a stronger, brighter, more energetic tomorrow. So promise yourself right now, you will not let age defeat you. You will live as proof that life can be healthy, active, and joyful at any age. Stay fit, stay happy, and remember, the youth of old age is not lost. It is hidden within you, waiting to shine. Hit that subscribe button and join us on a journey through the timeless wisdom of the older generation. Don't miss a single life-changing lesson.